I'll dodge you, yeah?
Hey, yo, welcome Total Scumbag RC. Mikey's here. We got the Emax Babyhawk here. I took my drone along, but I forgot the batteries for my transmitter like an idiot. So my mate Sporky's flying this one, and I flew it as well at the end of the video. Hope you like these little shots. It's just a little thing running 3S. If you look carefully, you can see the battery hanging off the bottom of it. Sporky's a pretty good little pilot.
Oh. Bit of breeze came.
There he is, and you can see here I was watching through his view through this little screen, but yeah, pretty hard to see on the camera actually.
That's the
I had my
bomber.
bomber, because there was a bit of a walk up here. I brought the bomber along on the trail. The bomber and the Babyhawk.
What are you doing?
Beautiful spot here out near Deep Creek in John Forrest National Park, Perth, Western Australia. Lovely. Bomber wants to fly like the drone.
Bomber
Not.
stunts.
Damn it, I shouldn't say stuff like that. And yeah, I broke like 3 rod ends. I fixed it up with cable ties and drove it out of there. It was funny. So this footage here doesn't have any audio, so I'm going to talk a bit through it. So this is Spork flying around, and you can actually see, it's a bit hard to see, you can see what he can see through his goggles. So it cuts in and out, it is a bit tricky at times, but you can see the bomber. And if you watch carefully, I'm watching carefully as well. Here we go. Bomber! Like we were both flying in the air together there. I saw it. Maybe you have to go back. But the bomber was in the air on the drone footage. Beautiful. Sparky's got some pretty decent control. So yeah, I didn't get my drone up. The 18650 batteries I was supposed to bring with me and left in my home charging, damn it. So, but he was generous enough to give me a shot. Oh, there's the bomber. You can just see it launching and then it's breaking and me going to go retrieve it. So he's going to come park up and then I'm going to jump on. Armed. So we're off. So I've never flown this one before. I'd only ever really flown mine with the goggles once. So not very experienced, but I got a little bit of simulator experience. So I'm flying over the rock where I smashed my bomber. Pitching and yawing and rolling and just trying to get a hang of it as it cuts in and out. It's a bit disconcerting. I'm sitting down on the ground. I like to sit and pinch my sticks. Whoop, whoop. A bit of a moment there, but just through the simulator, I've got, the instincts, I guess, to sort of do the right thing to get out of trouble. So up above this tree, it feels like a massive tree, but when you're walking next to it, maybe not so big. Pretty cool spot. I'm going to take my Tinyhawk out here. Hopefully, work out how to mount my fancy camera on it. It's a bit dodgy. And here we go, getting a little bit of height above us. I wasn't really ready to fly through that gap in the rocks, just because you see the camera cut now. That's exactly what I could see. This is recording on an SD card inside the goggles that I'm wearing. Smokey's got a big 5-inch drone, so whoop, here we go, some stunts. See, I like rolled it and then dropped down low. If you could hear the sounds, you'd hear Sporky going ooh or something as I like sent his drone plummeting to the earth. Anyway, I'm trying to land at this point. I'm just trying to sort of orientate myself so I go down the hill. It's 10.7 volts, so still enough power to keep going for a bit, but I don't want to push it. Just had my fun, so I'm just bringing it up here, trying to land nice and clean, but not too bad. That's me really taking the goggles off. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed.